After Alhaji Diouf don come out to come talk say na him better pass Samuel Eto'o and Didier Drogba, Eto'o sef come out to come yarn say when he dey play for Africa say nobody better reach am o. But Didier Drogba don come out to come answer dem say with him school sense say he no go fit come out to come dey follow anybody dey shout dey share mouth on am. Say him big pass that kind level. Say na only UEFA na him go talk with the best African player that time o, wey dey top 20, wey dey 13 net for inside Champions League history o. Come out to come talk say Eto'o and Alhaji Diouf say dem be better player wey play before, like the likes of Ronaldinho wey play for inside Barcelona. Him say everybody get their own style now. Like today na another new generation don come out wey dey play football. Like my brother Main and Salah, dem dey do wonder for inside their club and dem fit do better pass the former African players o. I no fit come out to come dey talk in the height of obodo world say na me be the best African player wey don 13 net pass for inside league and Champions League. The world dey turn around and we get better players the way full inside Africa. So I wan tell Eto'o and Diouf say make dem profess and encourage the small boys wey say they don dey play now, so they go fit do better for inside their club. This na Man About Town, reporting for Pidgin News Network.